Hello class. Today for our math time together in the evening, we're going to revisit something that we've already done just to be sure we remember and that we're clear on how we do long multiplication when there's more than just two digits. So we will start with this first problem that is 48 times 5, and I will work that with you. We begin, as you remember, by multiplying this number with this number. Then we will go from this to this. And if there were one more digit, we would go to it. You just keep taking them in order. You just go in the order that they come and then write them down. So let's do 5 times 8, which we know is 40. And right there we have a situation where we can't write 41s. We're going to have to regroup. We're going to put the 0 here, and we're going to regroup the others up into the tens column, which will give us 4 more tens because it was 40. So now we have 5 times 4, which is 20, and we have 4 more to add to it. So that is 24. And there's the answer to the problem. Again, you can do a tiny bit of estimating. You could estimate to correct, to be sure you're right, you could say 48 is really close to 50, and then that would be 50 times 5. I know 5 times 5 is 25. I would pin on a 0. I would have 250, so I know I'm pretty close. That's probably a correct answer, and it is the correct answer. Let's do another one together. Let's do, this time let's have 3 digits and see what happens. We follow the same process. We multiply this number times this one, then this number times this one, then this number times this one. Let's do it together. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 6, 3 times 6, not this one, but this one. 3 times 6 is 18. Going to have to do some regrouping again because there isn't room to put the whole 18 down. So I'll regroup and put it over here with the ones. Now I have 3 times 1, which is 3, and I add this one to it, which makes 4. 486. I'm sure you remember now how these things work and that you'll be all brushed up on it again, that it won't be a hard thing when you see it. Let's try one more just to be sure that we are solid on this. And actually, the one more I want you to do yourself. I want you to do it and bring it to me in class. 89 times 2. If you would like, you can create a problem of your own as well and bring that to me also. That would be exciting to see what you can do when you make one up on your own. And if you make one up on your own, you are welcome to use as many digits as you want, up to 3. Don't do more than 3 for right now. We'll move forward if you want to later on that. But if you'll bring me this problem and then one that you create on your own if you'd like to, that'd be wonderful. Be sure that you bring any questions that you have if anything is confusing, and I will see you in math.